Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody asked me a little help on this harbor called Charlotte Harbor. And this is an easy one, and I'm gonna maybe quite possibly do a couple of videos. So in just a few minutes, I got the outline of the land. So the number one thing you wanna do is you wanna start off with a good picture. I found one on the internet. It was pretty good. I saved it. I imported it into Corel Draw. Then you want to see it's 1.6 size. So you want to set a nudge factor on 2 inches because you want to use your nudge a lot to get things back and forth so you can draw the roads and everything. But I thought I'd just go ahead and redo this thing. So I'm going to make a duplicate of that because I'm going to finish it later. Put it up here out of the way. And I am going to go up to resample. It's already $300 per inch, so that's good. I'm going to go up to convert to bitmap. I'm going to go to bitmap, convert to bitmap. I'm going to convert it to grayscale. That's what happens. Then I'm going to go to trace. Your trace might be under bitmap, outline trace. I like clip art. Use clip art. It works 95% of the time. It's already removed the background. Press OK. This is where your nudge distance is going to help you. Nudge that out of the way because this is a good map and we want to use it later. Matter of fact, you might want to even make a copy of the color so you can read it a little bit better. Then this is pretty easy. We're going to go up to object, group, and ungroup. And when we do that, we're going to put a boundary. And in that short a time, I've got a pretty good boundary of the lake or of the harbor. Now there's some things in here that are wordage that we're going to delete, but that'll go in the next video. We're going to go up to object, break curve apart, and then we're going to grab just this. Well, we're going to actually grab this and nudge it out of the way. Look at that. We've done a really good job of getting the harbor. You know, here's the harbor. And what's so good about this, let me go and make a duplicate of this map. See if I can't set on top of that one and nudge it over. Now let's nudge this over to our good color map and look at it. We've got a red line around the islands. Now this is a bridge. We're going to have to, and so it won't burn. And I'm doing this for a laser engraver. We're going to have to fix that, but that'll be the next video. So stay tuned because this is a pretty good one and pretty easy. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.